Hello everyone, it's Ashish Chauhan from ashvircreations and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing extremely well. Well guys, today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can make a cinematic color grading in Adobe Premiere Pro, as well as I'm gonna give you the premium cinematic 3.0 LUTs, which are mostly used in the most of the films in Bollywood or Hollywood movies. This kind of color grading are used. So I'm gonna give that preset or the LUT file so that you can also color grade your videos and turn into a kind of cinematic look and a film look. So the very first thing you need to do is just download the cinematic 3.0 LUTs from ashvircreations.com and filterpreset.com rare file from the links in the description. Now just right click on it and select extract here, so it will extract the folder that is cinematic 3.0 LUTs from ashvircreations.com and filterpreset.com. When you will open the folder, you will find FP cinematic 3.0. AVC stands for ashvircreations and 2020. FP stands for filter preset, right? Now all you need to do is just open up the Premiere Pro and let's just minimize this. Let's just take some of the example photos or video footages to test how it actually looks, right? So let's just test this. Just drag and drop to our timeline. Now this is the video footage, right guys? So we're gonna just color grade this. So if you can't see here the lumetric panel over this side, so all you need to do is just go to the window and select the lumetric colors, so it will show up this window, right? Now all you need to do is just first of all, you can see the difference guys. This is the original footage, right? Now we're gonna just color grade it. So all you're gonna do is just go to the creative. From here all you need to do is just select the browse and just you can just select the preset or the LUT file which you have downloaded from the links in the description, and we have extracted the folder. So this is the folder, right? Now I'm gonna open, and here is the FP cinematic 3.0 AVC 2020, right? Now I'm gonna select this. When you will select, you can see the difference. Your photo is totally turned into an amazing look, right? So you can see the difference. Your video is totally looking very amazing. So from here you can just increase the intensity of the LUT file. If you want a little bit of color grading, you can just decrease this. If you want more, you can just try it up to this, and you can see the difference guys. This is really looking very amazing. So this is the before and this is the after. You can see the difference. A huge difference can be seen in the photo or the video, right? Now I'm gonna just delete this, and again I'm gonna just apply it to some other video footage. So let's just test out this video. Just drag and drop to our timeline. Keep existing sequence. Now this is a video footage, right? Now I'm gonna just color grade. So first of all you need to do is select the browse and just select that, and you can see the difference here. Video is totally looking very cinematic. From here guys, if you want to make still more correction, you can just increase the exposure, increase some contrast, and increase some highlights, increase the shadows if you want, increase some lightness, and decrease some blackness, and you can see the difference guys. You can also adjust some kind of color grading or minor adjustment even after giving the LUT file to the photo, and you can see the difference guys. Here was the before and here is the after. A huge difference can be seen. Let's try it on one more video footage. Let's try it on this. Just drag it and drop over here. So this is a video footage, right? Normal video footage, and I'm gonna just color grade it. So the very first thing we're gonna do is just go to the creative, and from here select the browse, and here just give the color, and from here you can set the intensity of the color if you want. So you can see the difference guys. This is the before. Let me increase the size of this. This is the before and this is the after, right? So a huge difference can be seen in the photo. Your photo or the video is totally turned into a very cinematic and a perfect video footage for your film. If you want to create an amazing film, then you can just give this color effect to your video and just make it more and more cinematic, just like Hollywood movies. So here also you can still do some more adjustment if it is needed. Increase the contrast or increase a little bit of highlights. Just decrease the shadow or increase the shadow, increase the whiteness, decrease some blackness. This is how you can just color grade, guys. So you can see the difference. Here was the before and here is the after. A huge difference can be seen in the photo, right? So you can see the difference. It is really an amazing LUT file, guys. Now guys, I'm gonna show you how you can apply the preset to your videos, photos in Photoshop. So first of all, we're gonna install the LUT file in Photoshop. So just right click on it, select copy, go to the C drive, select the program file, go to Adobe and select the Adobe Photoshop, whatever version you are using. Just go to that version and go to the preset, select the 3D LUTs and just paste that LUT file over here and just hit the continue. You can see FP Cinematic 3.0 ABC. Right now I'm gonna just restart my Photoshop and I'm gonna apply the preset or the LUT file to the photo and let's see how it actually looks. It will also create a similar cinematic tone to the photo also. So let's open up some of the photos, example photographs. So let's just try some of the images from here. Just drag and drop to the Photoshop. Now just go to the color lookup from here and select the FP Cinematic 3.0. Here was the 3.0 Cinematic 3.0 ABC 2020. So this is the preset, guys. So you can see the difference. It is really looking very, very amazing. So you can spot out the difference. This is the before and this is after. This is a minor adjustment preset which is perfect for your photo, as well as for if you want to make a cinematic effect, you can just create with the help of this LUT file. So guys, I hope you all have enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, then just smash the like button, and if you still not subscribed to our channel, then kindly do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified of our videos and presets. Also visit our website, that is www.ashvircreations.com. From there you're gonna find new backgrounds, camera preset, Lightroom preset, LUTs and many more cool photo editing as well as video editing stuff just for free. And also guys, don't forget to visit our second website which we're gonna launch soon, that is filterpreset.com. On that website also we're gonna upload soon the most creative and the powerful presets. So guys, stay tuned on that website also. And also guys, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, just type ashvircreations. So guys, thank you for watching and bye bye till the next video. Till then guys, be creative and be awesome.